can find it in NECO, WAEC, or JAMB. So this is indicial equation, or we say exponential equation. So let's see how we are going to solve this. So we have 27 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1 minus x all over 9 to the power of 2x equals 1. Now, before we start simplifying it, so let's cross multiply from here. So this now, we are going to have this, and this is going to meet that. So we are going to have 27 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1 minus x is equals to. So when this multiply this, we are going to have 9 to the power of x 2x. Now, from here, so we can express each of these in an index form. So this now can be expressed as 3 to the power of 3, then x multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 minus x is equals to. So 9 can also be expressed as 3 to the power of 2. So everything, we have 2x here. So now, multiplying this, we have 3 to the power of 3x times 3 to the power of 1 minus x is equals to. So 2 times 2x, that will give us 4x. Now, if you look at this, according to the law of indices, multiplication law, so when we have the same base, so we are going to have that, adding the powers. So we have 3x plus, we have 1 minus x. Then on the other side there, we have 3 to the power of 4x. Now, again, we have the same base. So we equate the powers. So we have 3x, and for this one, we have plus 1 minus x is equals to 4x. Now, 3x minus x, that will give us 2x. So we have 2x plus 1 is equals to 4x. Now, we collect like terms. So this, we transpose it, we move it to this side. So we are going to have 2x minus 4x. Then this one to the other side is going to be minus 1. So 2x minus 4x, that will give us minus 2x is equals to minus 1. Now, from here now, we are looking for the value of x. We divide both sides by -2. So here we have x is equals to, so the negative will cancel, that is half, 1/2. I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you in the next video.